Hey sisters, please join me as I unbox a few meal supplies that I purchased today. It was a long day today, child. Let's see what I got. Oh, I had to get myself something to drink. I needed some water, child. Let's start the video with the Miss So products from gel all the way to like perfume. So this is a box of 6 of gel products. I bought quite a few, like 50 something of them. I'm thinking we'll do a separate video where I do color swatches of both the gel and the acrylics, and we see how pigmented it is. And I'm also thinking we'll do a full set of nails featuring all the Miss Small products that I purchased. The base top coat. I don't know if I should open every one of these bottles. Oh, she's thick, mama. She's hella thick. The rubber top coat is very thick. Let me see if this one is thick or what. The diamond top coat, oh, she's very light. I also have rubber top coat. I wonder if she's thick or thin. She's very thin. Very thin. Very light. This is the nail primer, the rubber base, the magic remover. I'm not sure what it removes, but we'll see. A nail pre-dehydrator, the nail gel, non-sticky hard builder nail gel. Rub and create flowers. Play around, turn it into cookie dough. I start doing eyelashes, tinting. Ooh, I got this. What is this? I'm not sure, but if you know, please comment below. This is what it looks like. Miss Small. I call her Miss So. It says odorless. Odorless eyelash glue. Why aren't you coming out? Oh, I need something to prickle here. This pen, it's microblading pen, specifically for nail art, to pick up stones and to rub things, to rub chrome. I'm not sure. Black ink. This is for microblading. Black ink. The pen. It's in a coffee caramel color. Okay, we'll definitely do this together. I want to test them out while I read. This is the My Witty perfume by Miss Small. She's a perfume. Let's spray some and smell. Ooh, this smells amazing. It smells like flowers, like clouds. It's not too strong. This is for polygel nails. I'll do a tutorial on how to do polygel. I'm definitely going to use this. This section is everything to do with eyelashes, microblading, and tinting supplies that I purchased. For microblading, I want to start doing microblading. Razor blades. These are lashes. These are disposable micro applications. I'm just going to place them. This is Super Bond to go with your lashes. These are your, I don't know what this is, but it's to wash lashes. This is pigment for microblading. This is eyelash removing gel. Plastic bag, foam for numbing when you want to microblade somebody. Oh, this thing almost hurt me. Okay, this is a microblading tattoo gun. Is it a tattoo gun? I don't know. But let's unbox it. This is what it comes like. Okay. It's got numbers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, how do I turn it off? I'm not sure what this is for. Ooh, did I ruin it? I'm sorry. Let's see what it comes with. It's got a user manual. It's got a charger, 2 charging pins. I'm not 1000% sure what this is, but I'm assuming it's a backup battery. This one is on and off. This one has, or maybe it enters here. Okay, and we'll figure it out together. We are both gonna learn on this channel how to microblade tattoo lips and so on. That's what the user manual looks like. They go with the microblading needle. These are like needles inside. I don't know if you can see. We've got tweezers, marker. It's a white marker. And tattoos. We have these application things. I'm not sure how to use them, but they go with that pen that I got, the maroon one. Blades. I tried to open it just to see what's in here. Got some blades. I think for tweezing, we got this. This is for measuring the width, especially when you're tinting. It's good for that. We got a pencil, two skin. I got one. And then I also got microblading skin. It's got like outlines of a lash. These are the wax beads. This is a spatula. Instruction manual. This next section is everything I purchased from Blinko, nail related, polygel and skin. Let me show you what it's like inside. Oh, I got some beads, some nail art brushes from number 2 all the way to number 14. These are cuticle pushes for individual clients. But I'm feeling how soft it is. I don't think this is going to be comfortable. This is for nail art dotting tools. Tips to swatch out the latest colors that I got. I got some bow stick in case I want to do personal nails. This is double-sided sticky tape. 2 hand masks. My hands tend to get really dry, so I want to see if this will add moisture. Nail art. I liked it because it had different shapes. And free wipes for gel finishing wipes, and I got a body scrub, a strawberry flavor one. Ideal top coat from Shiny Thing. Chrome. Clear chrome. I got Builder gel. Clear gel solution. I want to start doing polygel nails from Blinko. Light pink polygel. It looks like chrome. I don't know if you can tell. It's so cool. You can actually paint with it. Glass. Stones. Yeah, to hold the stones. Matte spray. Concealer. I was thinking once I'm done tinting the customer's brows or shaping them, I can use the concealer around the brush and maybe put this matte spray if they have a shiny face. Acrylic painter. I think it's for nails. I managed to get 5. I wanted to buy them all, but I was like, let me test them out first before I go back and I buy more. This is cute. This is nice. This is from OBD. If it were to measure the nail. And this next section is all the electrical gadgets for nails that I got. This is my old busted UV lamp. Some of the lights are dead. And actually my new UV lamp. Took the manual. Covered it with plastic so we don't get any gel on it. It's brand new. I'm happy. All the lights work. You see? 50,000 working hours. That's the cord. It's got a 64 voltage power. It's got low temperature mode, high temperature mode. It's got double light source LED. It makes your nails even more shinier. It's safe for your eyes, for your skin. Yeah, and the temperature isn't as hot when you use it. It's got an automatic sensor. It's pretty advanced. It's pretty dope. UV light. It's 60 seconds. It offs itself after 60 seconds. It's got multiple LED lights. It charges with a 5V charger, and it's got a touch sensor. The power here is 336 voltage power. Here it touches sensors. 8 LED lights. It's good for when you want to do like nails. It comes with a charging cord. This is the rechargeable nail drill. It goes all the way up to number 35. That's the speed. And it has a left and a right drilling motion. I don't know how to explain it. And then an off button. And it's rechargeable. The cord that comes with the nail drill. This is the nail drill. This is the charging manual. I haven't read the manual. The manual nail drill. It comes with, I got it because it's pink, just in case it's going to be my backup. 2-in-1 LED UV lamp. Okay, not sure if I'm understanding. This is the charging cord. It doesn't come with an instructional manual on how to use it, or maybe somebody took it, I'm not sure. This is the cage. It collects dust using this fan. You can see. I guess the client will rest their hand here while it works. Okay, it's not rechargeable. You have to constantly keep it plugged in. As you can see, the money is sticking.